Scaling your business globally can seem like a daunting challenge, but with the right tools, it becomes an exciting opportunity. That's where Oyster comes in. If you're looking for a way to expand internationally, streamline your global workforce, and manage compliance across borders, Oyster is the solution. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to leverage Oyster to scale your business globally. Oyster makes it simple to hire, manage, and pay employees across the world, all while ensuring compliance with local labor laws. It's the perfect tool for any business that wants to tap into global talent without the hassle of navigating complex legal requirements. You can create a global team without the need to set up a local office, which drastically cuts down on the cost and complexity of international expansion. One of the main benefits of using Oyster is its global reach. You can hire employees in over 180 countries, so no matter where your ideal candidates are, Oyster makes it easy to bring them on board. This means you can scale your operations quickly without the headache of dealing with paperwork or red tape. Oyster also takes care of all the compliance details for you. Whether it's managing tax forms, benefits, or local labor regulations, Oyster ensures you stay in line with local laws. So you don't have to worry about costly fines or legal issues down the road. It handles the complexities of global payroll, including local tax rates, currency conversions, and employment benefits, making it a true one-stop shop for international business operations. Another feature worth mentioning is how Oyster simplifies the process of offering employee benefits. Whether it's health insurance, paid time off, or retirement contributions, Oyster lets you offer competitive benefits that comply with local laws, no matter where your team is located. This means your global employees will feel valued, leading to higher retention rates and a more motivated workforce. Managing a global workforce also means managing diverse time zones and communication styles. Oyster's platform helps you track employee schedules and performance across different regions, ensuring that your team stays aligned and productive no matter where they are. And for those of you looking for a seamless experience, Oyster integrates with popular tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and Zoom, making it easy to collaborate with your remote team. Whether your employees are based in the US, Europe, or Asia, you can keep everything organized in one place, so you can focus on growing your business. Now, here's the kicker. You can try Oyster completely free using the link below, and we've secured an exclusive extended trial just for you. You won't find this offer anywhere else. This means you get all the powerful features of Oyster to scale your business globally without paying a dime at first, so you can test out how it works for you before making any commitments. As you can see, Oyster is an essential tool for scaling your business globally. With the ability to hire in over 180 countries, manage compliance, simplify payroll, and offer employee benefits, all from one platform, Oyster provides the foundation for truly global business growth. If you're ready to expand internationally and build a world-class team, don't wait. Use the link below to access your exclusive free trial and start scaling your business with Oyster today.